I'm finishing kindergarten, and this is my science thing.
Okay.
So these things right here are noble gases. There's helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Those are all the noble gases, but there's something wrong. Radon, they use that for concretes. They use helium, but radon is not like these ones. These ones have lights, but this one shows it what it's supposed to be like. They use it for concrete.
Okay, so tell me about the first 10 elements. Can you name them all?
So there's 2 noble gases in the first 10 elements. And it's just helium and neon.
Okay, well name all of them for me. Just go through the list and name them.
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Carbon's a non-metal.
That's right. What are some other nonmetals?
Phosphorus and selenium.
Okay. Show me the halogen group.
Mom?
The halogen group.
All the ones under fluorine is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Those are all the halogens.
Okay.
They have to bond with one of these ones with hydrogen. These all just have 1 proton. They do not give away their proton because they need that proton.
Okay, now what about their valence shell? How many electrons would be in their valence shell?
Hydrogen has 1 electron, and it also has, what is that again?
You'll have to tell me.
Oh. Mom?
What do you remember?
I wonder what else is with hydrogen. I said the electron, and
Okay,
I
well-
need one more. One more.
Okay, tell me about the valence shells on the electrons.
The valence shell of these electrons, hydrogen has 1, lithium has 3, sodium has 11.
No. Valence shell is how many electrons are in the outside shell. And you can tell that by what row it's in.
They all have 1.
Mm-hmm.
They all have 1 electron and proton. Hydrogen has 1 electron and proton. These ones
Okay.
are a little different. They
Okay.
have bigger numbers.
All right. Tell me how many protons oxygen has.
Oxygen has 6 protons.
No, that's the valence shell. You're talking about valence. How about protons? That's the number next to it.
8.
That's right.
Oxygen has 8 and 8 electrons.
Okay. Can you tell me some things that like to bond with oxygen?
Carbon, helium, iron.
I think you meant to say hydrogen, right?
Hydrogen. I said hydrogen
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah.
Lithium.
Can you show me...
But oxygen is on your body.
That's true. What's another element that makes long chains that's in the body? That makes long chains and it can also make crystals.
I don't know it.
Yes, you do. It's in a lot of different compounds because it makes such long chains.
Is it called potassium?
No. It is
Carbon?
carbon. All right. Tell me about a couple others that you know some interesting things about.
I'm gonna tell you something. But you have hydrogen in your body,
Mm-hmm.
and and also oxygen that comes from the water.
What is one of the most plentiful elements in the atmosphere? There's some hydrogen, and there's some oxygen, and there's another one that there's a lot of.
There's potassium and...
No, not in the atmosphere. The atmosphere is the air. Starts with an N.
No.
No. There's an element that there's a lot of in the atmosphere. You remember? It's a gas. Not a noble gas, but it's a gas.
It's a gas? Is it a molybdenum?
No. It's right over there next to oxygen, actually.
Nitrogen?
That's right. Okay, tell me a couple of poisons.
What is that one again? I keep on forgetting that.
There's the S. Oh, sorry, it starts with an A. I'm sorry.
Aracid?
Arsenic.
Arsenic?
And where's the other poison that we were talking about?
Mercury?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Tell me where gold and silver are.
There's gold.
Mm-hmm.
There's silver.
Okay, what's right above that?
Copper.
Okay. Can you name the second 10 elements for me, please?
Sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon.
Okay. Keep going as far as you can go.
Potassium and calcium. What is that one? What is that one?
Oh,
Mom?
look at it.
Chromium?
Scandium.
Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, or chrome.
What is it? Point to it.
Number 24. That one.
That is chromium.
Chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton. That's as far as I can go.
That's as far as you can go?
Yep.
All right. Show me something that's radioactive. Mm-hmm. The whole series. Right.
Those are the ones that are radioactive.
Okay. And show me one that they used in old x-rays. Yep. What's the name of that one?
Magnesium?
That's right. Show me the one that has really, really, really strong magnets.
No.
What?
No.
No, it's kind of hard to say.
Neodymium?
That's right. And what's another element that's magnetic?
Magnet?
Mm-hmm. You said that you can...
Iron.
That's right. Anything else you want to tell me that's special that you really like? What do they make pencil lead out of?
Pencil lead? Is it something black?
Mm-hmm. But it's not black in this picture. What do they make pencil lead out of?
Is it what color? What?
It's graphite. What is graphite made out of? It's something that can make either crystals or chains.
Money.
Uh-huh.
What number is it?
I can't tell you that. You have to tell me.
I don't know it.
I bet you do. Look up right next to Nitrogen.
Oxygen.
No. Other way.
Carbon.
Carbon. Carbon's pretty useful, isn't it?
Mom, is there any carbon in this world?
Lots.
We should find some carbon.
Okay, now tell me about the noble gases real quick and we'll be done.
Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon.
Okay, why are they noble? What's so special about them?
Because they don't want to do.
Yeah, they don't want to do anything. Why not?
Because they're noble.
They have just the right number of what?
They have the just right number of protons
No.
and electrons.
Electrons in their...
Outer shell.
Very good. All right, Zach, why don't you stand up and wave goodbye?
Goodbye.
See you for our science exam next year.
See you for a science thing next year.